So now we need to go about making this look more like what we want it to look. Um, the easiest way to do this is we want to change some of these images. And so let's kind of start with the home image, the landing image right here, and this branding information up there. So how do we know how to change the images? Well, any image that's in this website is going to be in our files, right? And fortunately, they do a good job of organizing this for us. So we see everything that we would want to use. All of the images are in the image area. So what I can do is take all of these images and open them in Photoshop, and then I can modify them to look the way I want them to look, and then save them with the same name. And so instead of pulling in that old version of the image, it'll pull in the new version of the image. So the home page image looks like, let's see, there, that's the one. I want to change it to look more like what I want it to look like. So I've uploaded, let me get the image I want right here, and I'm going to copy this, copy, and paste it over Laura's image, and then of course I need to resize it, and the way that I resize it is edit, transform, scale. There's a shortcut for that, which is just Command T. So that's what I was doing before. And then I'm going to resize this so it works in this space right here. Okay? That'll work. And I'm going to save this, and I'm going to need to flatten my layer because you can't have multiple layers in a JPEG, right? Save it. Okay. And now if I preview my website, now that looks more like a leather goods company, right? All right, now, second thing is I want to put, change the branding here. Now this Laura, I don't think it's an image, I think it's just text, and I can tell because it's selectable. So where is this coming from? Where do we go to change this? So let's look at our code here. And in the nav bar, we have, this is our nav element, right? And then here's the word Laura. There we go. I bet if I change this right here, because I kind of knew where to look because they named it really obviously to me. You know, it's called navbar brand, and it's just Laura right here. And this pound, it's not going to a particular section. So without naming a section, that means if you click on it, it'll go back up to the top. So instead of Laura, let's make it Arch City Leather. Okay, and save it. And let's refresh. Nice. Now, I don't really love that typeface, but I'm going to live with it for right now. Now, this description right here, where is it coming from? Hi, I'm Laura Thompson, a creative photographer and designer. Now, that's got to be in this first section somewhere. Hi, I'm Laura Thompson, creative photographer and designer. And you see they put these special span tags around Laura, and in the style sheet they probably said look in the banner-text section and look for the span area and change Laura to that particular typeface, that looks like the typeface up here. I don't like that typeface, so I'm going to go and change it. But so I'm going to change some of the language, and I'm going to say Arch City Leather. Uncommon, personalized leather goods. Maybe I need to do a line break in there. I don't know. We'll see how that looks. Remember, BR is a line break, and I want to make sure I don't destroy the integrity of my tags, my opening and my closing tags. So let's save it and refresh it. Nice. But I really hate that typeface. And this red line here, I don't know, I'm not crazy about it. That's probably a border element for this particular container, this div right here, the red border on the left-hand side. All right, so let's get into, we'll go into the CSS styling in a little bit, but let's change some of these other areas. So this next section is called About. And let's change it to Meet the Span Press Deco. Arch City Leather. I wonder what this looks like in the About section. Oh, okay. Neat. Okay. And this blue red border, it's fine. It just is not real. I think I want something maybe more earthy than that red right there. Maybe I want to get rid of it altogether. I don't really know. And this background image right there, we don't like that either. So what can I put right here? I think I want something personal. Maybe a set of hands actually making something. So I need to find some more images and make some more replacements. So we'll take a look at that in the next video. I got to get some images.